Have you ever wondered if we are living in an illusion? Have you ever contemplated the time in which we are imprisoned? What if you discovered that we have been living a grand lie, treating it as though it were reality itself? Since childhood, we were taught that time is divided into three parts: past, present, and future. This idea was planted deep within our minds until it became an unquestionable truth. You can revisit the past through memory, and you can imagine the future with your mind. But have you ever truly tried to live in the present? Try it now. Are you truly in the present? Or are you lingering in the past? Or perhaps anticipating the future? Repeat the experiment and try to remain in the current moment. You will find that it simply does not exist. Every second that passes becomes the past. Every coming second is the future. The present is nothing but a fleeting illusion, an intangible point. To truly live in the present, you would have to stop time, and that is impossible. Time is not a straight line with a beginning in the past, a middle in the present, and an end in the future. Time is a circle, without beginning, without end, and without a true now. The moment you say now, it has already become the past. Even if you divide time into the smallest measurable units, the present will always slip through your fingers. To observe the present, you must step outside the scene as a silent witness. Even if time were a line and you moved the scene back and forth, you would never find the present. And if you pause the timeline at a single point, time itself stops. This is why you cannot live the present. It simply does not move. And if time is circular, then every beginning is an end, and every end is a beginning. There is nothing in between. A third of our time has been stolen by the illusion of the present. If we could perceive true time, every moment would feel extended, because by removing the illusion, we reclaim what was lost. Each second would become three, for what remains is only the past and the future. The present never truly existed. We are being programmed by modern science and media to accelerate endlessly, to never stop, to keep running. And when the present is added to this wheel of time, it gives birth to evil, relentless acceleration. Here's a simple example. Imagine the greatest magician performing his most astonishing trick. You record it, then play the footage in extreme slow motion. Suddenly, the magician becomes a clown. His miracle is revealed through the wheel of past and future, for there was never a single moment of true present in which he remained in awe. Every movement he made existed in the future before it happened, and when it happened, it became the past. Even your awareness of it is past, and what has not yet happened remains a future unknown, and once you perceive it, it is already the past. This concept is profound, and it requires a clear mind to truly sense its depth. Look around you at any physical object. Can you prove that its state at the first instant you observed it is exactly the same as at the end of that second? If you say yes, you are mistaken. Observe carefully. You'll realize everything is in a constant state of change. Each fraction of a second differs from the one before and the one after. Nothing in the universe is truly still. Even what seems motionless is alive with movement within its structure. Everything is made of atoms, and atoms contain nuclei around which protons and neutrons orbit. This reflects the fourth law, the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe is in perpetual motion, and nothing is ever truly at rest. These truths are supported by modern science and reaffirmed with every new discovery, yet they were spoken more than 1,444 years ago. This principle reveals that the differences between various manifestations of matter, energy, mind, and spirit arise largely from differences in their vibrational frequencies. The pure mind represents the highest frequency, descending down to the densest forms of matter. Everything is vibrating, and the higher the frequency, the more solid the matter appears to us. What we perceive as solid is in reality vibrating so rapidly that it seems still, just like a rapidly spinning wheel appears motionless. Understanding this principle, combined with the right strategies, enables one to control their own mental vibrations and even influence the vibrations of others. He who understands the principle of vibration holds the scepter of power.